Looking for an affordable, fat-burning addition to your diet? Look no further. We have an incredible ingredient that's not only budget-friendly, but also packed with nutrients to help you shed those extra pounds. Cottage cheese is packed with protein, low in calories, and versatile. This humble dairy product can be a game-changer in your weight loss journey. Here are 5 budget-friendly ways to use cottage cheese to burn fat and save money. These tips will not only help you stay on track with your diet, but also keep your wallet happy. First up, swap out higher calorie snacks with a cottage cheese bowl. This simple change can make a significant difference in your daily calorie intake. Instead of reaching for chips or cookies, opt for creamy cottage cheese topped with your favorite fruits or nuts. The combination of protein and healthy fats will keep you satisfied longer. It's high in protein, keeping you full longer without breaking the bank. Plus, the variety of toppings you can add makes it a versatile snack option. Next, add cottage cheese to your morning smoothie for a protein boost without expensive supplements. This is a great way to start your day with a nutritious and filling breakfast. Blend it with berries and spinach for an affordable fat-burning smoothie. The natural sweetness of the berries combined with the creaminess of the cottage cheese creates a delicious and healthy drink. Your taste buds and wallet will thank you. This smoothie is not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrients to keep you energized throughout the day. Third, elevate your avocado toast with cottage cheese. This simple addition can transform your breakfast into a protein-packed meal. Spread a generous layer of cottage cheese on your toast before adding avocado slices. The creamy texture of the cottage cheese pairs perfectly with the smooth avocado. You'll increase your protein intake and cut the cost compared to store-bought alternatives. Making your own avocado toast at home is not only healthier, but also more economical. Another tip is using cottage cheese as a salad base. This is a fantastic way to add protein to your salads without relying on expensive dressings. Instead of pricey dressings, mix cottage cheese with fresh veggies for a colorful protein-packed meal. The cottage cheese adds a creamy texture and a boost of protein to your salad. It's cheaper and adds a fat-burning protein punch to your meal. This is a great way to enjoy a satisfying and nutritious lunch or dinner. Finally, prep your meals with cottage cheese. Meal prepping can save you time and money, and incorporating cottage cheese into your meal makes it even more beneficial. It's affordable, easy to store, and can be used in multiple recipes throughout the week. From breakfast to dinner, cottage cheese can be a versatile ingredient in your meal prep routine. From breakfast bowls to savory snacks, cottage cheese is a meal prepper's best friend. Its versatility and nutritional benefits make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to eat healthier on a budget. Try these 5 cottage cheese ideas today to burn fat and save money. Incorporating these tips into your daily routine can help you achieve your weight loss goals without spending a fortune. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more affordable nutrition tips. We're here to help you stay healthy and save money with practical and delicious ideas. Like, comment and subscribe for more fat-burning, money-saving tips. Stay tuned for more ways to make your diet both nutritious and budget-friendly.